안녕하세요. 네, 감사합니다. Hello, I'm Sub. For those of you who have subscribed and been following my channel, you probably already know that I have a very young son. My little guy is now 7 months old, and thanks to all your congratulations, he's growing up wonderfully. When I was born, my father used a film camera to take my photos. Nowadays, everyone carries a cell phone, so I've taken countless pictures to remember these moments, and I even printed a few of them. Then I decided to make a leather photo frame to preserve and display these photos. I used Cowhide leather known as Epsom, which is 1.3mm thick for the frame. For the back panel's lining, I used Cowhide that's about 0.7mm thick. I stitched everything together with linen thread, and instead of glass, I used a thin, rigid film. The process isn't too difficult. First, I cut out a window in the front panel, fix the film with stitching, and then attach the back panel. While most frames are made with completely separable front and back panels for inserting photos, I designed mine to open at the top so I can easily change the picture whenever I want. You might be wondering how to make the frame stand. You could use a DIY plastic stand like the ones sold in the market, but if you want the frame to always stay in that position, you can simply fix it in place with bonding. So I reinforced the leather with bonding to ensure it stands firmly, attaching the reinforcement to the back panel. And that's it. The frame is complete. It's easier than you might think. These days, we often view photos only on our phones. However, putting these analog style photos into a special handmade frame can be a truly enjoyable experience. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for supporting my channel by joining the membership. I'll be back with another video next time. Thank you.
먹는 거 아니다. 먹는 거 아니야. 야, 그 뜯으면 안 돼. 그거 본드로 해놨다고. 보기만 하는 거야, 이거.